You don't need weeks, just one real day. Forget 21 days. Forget a 90-day plan. You don't even need a week. You need one honest day. One bold decision. One moment of truth. That's when everything changes. It's not time you're lacking, it's clarity. And today, I'll give you what no one else will, a one-day reset for your mind, your focus, your soul. This isn't another self-help speech. This is a battlefield. And we start now. Step 1. Full disconnection. Pick one day. Shut off the noise, phone, internet, messages. No notifications. No distractions. Just you and your thoughts. The problem isn't that you're broken. You're overloaded. You don't need healing, you need space. Silence clears out the fog. And if you can't spend a single day with yourself, you're not running from boredom, you're hiding from truth. Step 2. Face yourself. Stand alone. Look in the mirror, not to fix your hair, but to face your soul. 5 quiet minutes. One brutal question: what part of me isn't real? No affirmations. No fake confidence. Just raw honesty. You'll feel it. The ache. Because pretending is exhausting, and you've been acting for years. Today, the mask comes off. Step 3. Let it burn. Take a notebook. Write 3 things. The habits stealing your future. The people or places draining your strength. The lies you tell just to fit in. Then destroy that page. Rip it. Burn it. Erase it like it never existed. Because admitting it is step 1. But destroying it tells your brain, we're done with the old version. We're building something real now. Step 4. The power hour. Set 60 minutes. Break it into 3, 20 minutes. Move. Sweat. Push your body past comfort. 20 minutes. Write out everything in your head. No filter. Just unload. 20 minutes. Sit in silence. Eyes closed. Just breathe. Do this and watch what happens. You'll feel grounded. You'll feel like you. You'll feel the fire return. Step 5. The final stand. At 9 p.m. Return to the mirror. But this time just say, thank you for showing up. Not for being perfect. Not for fixing everything. But for finally being present. Because that's what most people never give themselves. One full day of honesty, action, and presence. You're not broken. You were just buried. Under fear. Under comfort. Under noise. But today, you rose. Not by changing who you are, but by finally remembering it. If this spoke to you, don't just scroll. Take the day. Take the challenge. And if you want daily reminders to keep rising, the link to my Telegram is below. Let's elevate, one day at a time.